In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Google Play Store on your PC. So just like you can see, I have Play Store here. Let me search for an app to show you guys. So let me search for Viking Rise. This is a popular game. Just like you can see, the game I clicked on here, this is Play Store, and I can choose to install it on my PC. Simple as that. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So you can see I have this tablet, which is this, and then my mobile phone, which I have this Play Store installed on. So let me show you guys how to do this. Now, before you get access to Google Play Store on your PC, you need to download an Android emulator app. So the emulator I'm going to recommend in this video is BlueStacks. So BlueStacks has been around for a long time. So if you use PC a lot, you're going to know about BlueStacks. So the precise one we are going to use, or the model or the version we are going to use, is BlueStack 5. You can see that's why I've opened this page. So this is good because if you have less RAM, you can use this. I think if your RAM is 4 GB, you're good to go. You should have at least 2 GB memory space there for your installation too as well. So if you have this, you are good to go. You can play a lot of games and try downloading it. So it's going to pop up just like the simple installation. You save the setup and you're good to go. I have it already on my PC, so I'm not going to do that. So after fully installing BlueStacks, you're going to see something like this. This is how the page is going to look like. So you can see Google Play Store here. This looks like a mobile phone, a virtual mobile phone. That's how it is. So you can see I already have WhatsApp here, and I have a lot of apps on here too as well. So let me open WhatsApp for you guys to see. So this is WhatsApp. I've not used it, so you can see this it. I can view updates. I can do all that. So let me not do any updates. You can see here. So now let me come home here. So you come on here and search the app you want to get access to. You get it? They're just going to refer you to Google Play Store. You can see this. I was on Roblox. They are going to redirect me to Dream League, and then I proceed to download it, and I'm good to go. You can see Google Play here, and this is it. So you can see. Let me show you guys something. So I have this Gmail on 2 different mobile phones. This is my mobile phone, and this is the tablet I'm using, which is this device. So anytime you're trying to do a download, select this. So the app you download gets installed on this PC, so you can play it on this PC. So that's it on how you can use or how you can get Google Play Store on your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section of this video. Peace.